Hi friends, in the previous video we learned about Procreate and its gallery preview. Find the previous video tagged in the description box below. In today's video we will learn about canvas and its dimension and its interface. Think of a canvas like an empty sheet of paper. Here in Procreate it is a blank sheet where we can sketch. You can create a new canvas by tapping the plus symbol. Here you can find a variety of templates. Either choose one from the list or you can create your own canvas. Let's create a new canvas by tapping the plus icon. If you see here, you can make few adjustments to canvas such as changing the name, dimensions, color profile, time lapse and so on. Let's create a simple canvas by changing the name. You can change the name of the canvas by tapping the word Untitled Canvas. Let me give the word hello. In dimensions, you can change the width, height and DPI of canvas. DPI is nothing but dot per inch. The higher number of dots per inch makes the image lossless while printing. Higher the DPI, sharper the image. 300 is the industry standard for best print quality. Changing the canvas size changes the number of layers. Larger the canvas, lesser the layers. You can choose the size of the canvas in millimeters, centimeters or inches. Let's see about color profile. There are two color profiles. If you are planning to share your artwork in social media platform or prepare e-invites, then you can select RGB profile. If you are planning to print your artwork such as photo, invitations, then CMYK is best suited for printing. RGB is red, green and blue and CMYK is cyan, magenta, yellow and key, which is black. In time-lapse settings, you can record the progress of your artwork. Also, you can adjust the quality of your recordings from low to lossless quality. Next is the canvas properties. Here you can select a default background color for your canvas or make the background hidden. Let's select 3000 by 4000 pixel canvas with 300 dpi. Here you can see paint, smudge, erase, layers and color options. Paint, smudge and erase are the basic tools. You can sketch, ink, paint, add textures, shade, calligraphy using the available brushes. Tap the brush tool and let us start making the strokes. The two sliders on the left allows us to change the brush size and transparency of the brush strokes. This is the undo and redo option. You can undo by tapping with 2 fingers and redo by tapping with 3 fingers. Now let us start exploring the brushes. You can change the position of the slider by dragging and moving it up or down. You can do multiple undo by tapping with 2 fingers and holding it for a long time. and similarly with redo option. Now let's discuss about the Smudge tool. We can blend or soften the strokes using the Smudge tool. You can select a wide variety of brushes for smudging too. If you want to use the same painting brush for smudging, hold on to the smudge option for a few seconds. This will transfer the current paintbrush settings to smudge. If you want to remove any mistakes or smoothen your work, you can select Erase button. Let's create simple illustration using all these tools now. I am trying to draw a balloon with some random colors. I am taking red and drawing an oval. I am filling it with the red. Similarly, I am selecting yellow color, drawing a circle and filling it with the color. I am using dry ink brush because I like the texture of the brush. Similarly, I am taking purple and drawing another balloon. I am doing undo option here because the outline is not perfect. I am taking black color to draw the thread. So I am randomly drawing the thread. I am trying to highlight the balloon with some white color, so I am just giving a white stroke on top of the balloon. I am trying to use a smudge tool with the current brush settings. You can smudge it if you like, if not, you can leave it as such. I like to do it, so I am using the smudge tool. I am smudging the highlights little bit. I am using the eraser tool just to remove the end part. I am selecting the background color now with some light yellow. That's it. This is a very simple illustration with the tools which we discussed today. I hope this video is helpful. In our next video, we will learn about layers and colors. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel.